Okay, so this is going to be an update on what's going on with Bitcoin. So, freaking, lots going on, but nothing terribly good or exciting currently. So, what we're looking at is obviously on a larger time frame. Like, what we're looking at is we want to see this double bottom that we were talking about the other day play out. Now, I'm on the 1 hour for a few reasons. The first reason is because I really want to break down what exactly is going on right here. So, if you measure this double bottom area, it measures up perfectly to right here. And I was playing around with this the other night, but essentially, what I've worked out is that essentially this area right here is all a double bottom that ended up playing out to right here. And it looks a lot better on different time frames. We're just on the hourly, and I'll get to that in a second, but it looks like we played out to right there, hit our target, was oversold, had a bunch of mass dumpage, because every time there's a big move, they usually corresponds in the other way. So we had a big move up, we had our big move down, and right now we're just consolidating in the middle. And one of the best things to do is to pull the Fibonacci retracement, and you can see that we perfectly have been hitting this golden pocket, hit a little bit right there, and a lot right there. So golden pocket, and we're just consolidating right now, and this is bullish because I'll pull it back up for a second. Anytime that we're above the 6.5 to the 6.0, as I was 0.618, that's bullish. That's really bullish, and the fact that we're holding right now is good. And so what am I looking at right now? Like I said before, I want to see, so we're on the 1 hour, because what I've noticed with this price action, and it's what I've said so many times before, we seem to be bouncing a lot at this level. And so the easiest way to play this has always been, it seems like we're bouncing at that level, and then there's a lot of selling action like right here. So when you're trading it, you just trade the bottom right here, sell the top. That's what I've been doing, and it's been playing out really well until it breaks out one way or the other. And it has a strong bias towards the upside, like what we just talked about. And what I'm looking for is, well, in the midterm, what we're looking at right now is we're currently below this major moving average, the 20 EMA. And we can see that as soon as we went below it, price has not been terribly great to us, and we've kind of been held down. So we want to see a break above the 20 EMA on the 4 hour, obviously, like what we've been talking about. But when we go to the daily chart, we have that double bottom idea, and then we obviously have the measured move. So whether this plays out or not is 100%, in my opinion, dictated on what happens with the stock market tomorrow. The stock market does really bad tomorrow, we're going to probably see a further leg down. But stock market does good tomorrow, and we're probably going to see another leg up. This is that 20 on the daily that's extremely important. I put a line right here to illustrate it. And these measured moves don't always play out exactly on target, but they give you a really good understanding of where the price is going to go. So let's say we have a good day tomorrow in the stock market. There's a high likelihood that this plays out, and really what we want to see is this measured move playing out on the daily interaction with this 20 EMA. Is it going to hold? Is it going to close above? Or is it going to come up to like right here and then get rejected? That being said, on the 4 hour, we constantly have basically higher lows, which is really nice. Like this right here is still higher than this. So we have higher lows. So overall, the trajectory of the market is moving up. You also have higher lows right here. So higher, low, higher, low, higher, low, higher, low. Even this one is higher than this, as I was. Even this one is higher than this one, which is a higher low, and then this is a higher low. So what we don't want to see tomorrow is we don't want to see the stock market to open up bearish and go down, because we are setting a lot of nice higher lows right now. And like I said before, we want to see the market continue to move up so that we can break this neckline and get this measured move. Right now the market is, as you can see, the daily chart just closed, so this candlestick just formed 3 hours ago, and you've already seen a decent move down in the last 3 hours. And usually when the market's going down, it can be a lead indicator on what's going to happen with the stock market. And if we're not doing too good right now, and we continue tonight to not do so well, that's probably a lead indicator that we might not be doing well in the stock market tomorrow, which is obviously a concern. Anyways, that's going to do it for the update.